All right, I want to thank y'all for tuning in the video today. Today we're going to talk about bad boy lawnmowers, okay? Y'all know I research these things a lot when I buy something. This is the bad boy Maverick. This is kind of like your mid to upper grade. They have different levels for everybody, so there's a lot of different price points. But y'all, even looking at this mower in comparison to what other mowers cost, this mower for what you get, I mean, the tires, the deck, look how thick this deck is. Y'all, this is a 60-inch. This is the Kohler. Now you can get the Kawasaki. The Kawasaki has, I think, 1 or 2 less horsepower, and it's about $500 or $600 to upgrade it to the Kawasaki. But for me, I'd rather have the power. And anyway, just a really nice mower. So we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna show y'all some of the different levels that they offer in these bad boy mowers. So let's go check it out. So you'll also see here that they have Cub Cadet. They've got the grasshoppers. They have the grasshopper diesels over there, and they've got a lot of options. So I wasn't 100% set on exactly what I was going to buy when I got here. I did go to Bad Boy's website and kind of look at their lawnmowers to see what they offered. And y'all, I mean, they have every level. I mean, you look right here, you've got the Renegade with the 72-inch. You know, it's got the adjustable seat. And these bad boys have good suspension on them too, which makes them ride better that a lot of competitive mowers don't have. Okay, now we just talk about the different levels, right? So you look in here, you've got Rambler, Magnums, you've got the Avengers, and the price points vary, and they can actually tell you, you can tell them how many acres you're mowing, and they can tell you kind of what mower you should buy for what type of mowing you're doing. Okay, and you can see right here, this is the Maverick HD, and I think one of these has fuel injection. Yeah, this one is a fuel injected engine on it. And then you can come over here and see the ZT Elites that they have. 54-inch decks on all these. There's a Maverick, the same one I just purchased, with a 54-inch deck. But y'all, just lots of different options, lots of different price points. This is the Kawasaki right here. Same mower I just bought, I think. But you can see, no, it was actually this one. Here's the Maverick with the 54 with the Kawasaki engine. So lots of different price points, lots of different options. If you're in the area and you're looking and you want to talk to somebody that's knowledgeable about what size mower you should buy, for me, y'all, the mower looks good. I like the quality build of it when I'm looking over it, from the wiring to, I mean, the simplistic panel. I mean, not a lot of things to fail on it. So we're going to give this bad boy a try. And if you're interested in checking one out, call Camacho Tractor in Victoria, Texas. I'll drop their number and contact information in the description, and we will catch you on the next video.